If you are wondering if there is a charger or power adapter included inside the box of POCO X8 Pro Max, then the answer actually depends where you live. So if you live in a country where power adapters are still included, for example in some of the Southeast Asian countries, then in that case you will most likely find a power adapter. But if you live, let's say, in Europe, if you purchase this phone in Europe or in United States, if it's available, then of course in that case the power adapter is not included. And the best way to verify that before you purchase the phone is by looking at the back of the box of the phone. So over here we have this graphic information that clearly indicates whether the power adapter is included or not. In this case it is not included. So if you can take a look at the back of the box, then of course you can do so in order to verify that. If you cannot take a look at the back of the box, you can ask the person that is selling the phone to you, ask them to check that information for you, to check the box, or maybe they just already know at this point. So, you can just try to ask them. But generally speaking, in countries where power adapters are no longer included, this is exactly the same case, and of course vice versa. In countries where the power adapter is still included, you can still find it for some smartphones. Then most likely you will find a power adapter in there for this phone as well, inside the box of course. So that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.